Hi everyone, welcome back to our today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at one of the core concepts in programming, it's collections. By the end of this video, you will know how to create collections, add or remove elements, and iterate or loop over them, and iterate over them using loops. So let's get started. First, let's look at collection. What are collections in that? Collections are essential when you need to store multiple pieces of related data. So instead of creating a separate variable for each piece of data, we can store them all in a collection. It will make our code looks cleaner and more efficient. So in that, the three main collection types are list, sets, and map. So let's go into list. First of all, let's quickly create our project as usual. So I'll be using the terminal method. Okay, this is too big. Okay, let's keep it this way. This is good. Okay, so we want to look at a list. First, we want to look at a list. List is the most commonly used collection. A list is an ordered collection that allows duplicate values. So think of it like a list of items in a specific sequence. Let's simply go into an example and see what we are talking about. In case you don't have an idea what a list is. So let's say as usual, we use the bin, delete this guy. We don't need it. So delete, move to trash, and quickly create a new one. I will call it example one dot that. So let's hide this side the explorer so that we can see our code very well. So good. So as usual, we'll start with the void main. So we create our list. I'll say a list of strings. List of string. We'll call them fruits. Okay, good. We have apple, banana, orange. Let's leave it this way. So to print the fruit, let's see the outcome. Control J. Go to our terminal, and this is our list. See, we created a list of strings. If you hover around this guy, you'll see that it is what a list of string. If we change the type to something like list of int, list of int, see, we started having error because these guys are not integers, they are actually strings. So either we declare the type or we leave it this way. So let's declare the type as it was. So declare the type this way, and let's print our list to our terminal, and let's quickly see the outcome. So at we print, we'll say this time around we are using the bin example one, and say bin dot that, right? Yeah, bin example one dot that, and we'll enter. You see, this is our list: apple, banana, and orange. So we created a list of strings called fruits. The list is ordered. So apple is at index 0, banana is at index 1, and so on. So we can access individual elements using their index. So let's say, remember, in this way, our list starts from index 0. So this apple you are seeing here is it index 0. In case you want to print this apple, we simply access the very first index, which is 0, and we got apple. So let's say we want to print apple. We'll say print again, print, we'll say fruit at index 0, right? Print index 0. And if we come here and print again, you see we got apple, right? So we got apple. Let's have something like a separator to separate the first fruit and the last one, so we know what we're actually talking about. So this is a fruit. This one prints the whole list, everything that is inside this list, it prints it. And this one, we are trying to access a particular index, and that's index 0, which is apple. So if you print it, see, we separate the first list and the second list, and we got apple. The same way, if we want to print banana, which is in index 1, so we save it and try again. You see, we got banana. Okay, what if we want to add something to our list, right? What if we want to add something to the list? Let's separate this one. So you say that control Z. This is our list. We have only apple, banana, and orange, but we don't want to touch this list. We just want to add something to the list. What do we do? So there is a method called add method for a single items or all items. You can use add all, or what, just dot add for multiple. Let's say to add element to a list, we can use the dot add method for a single item, or dot add all for multiple items. So to remove items, we can use dot remove or dot remove at. So let's look at example. So we'll say print. Okay, if we let's see, this is also another. If we use print dot length, right, we have how many items in our list. So if you check, let's clear the terminal, clear the terminal, and print. You see the length of our list, which is 3 items. We got 3 items. We have 3 items in our list. This is to get the number of items in our list. In a situation where you have a list with multiple or thousands of items, and you don't know the number, or you want to know the number of items that are in this list, you can use the length to get the all the numbers in the list. So I don't want this thing to cover this whole place. So let's quickly create another example. So we'll call it example 2 dot that, example 2 dot that. Okay, good. So let's quickly go to example 1 and take our list, because this is what we are using. So we'll come here and paste it. So sorry, control Z, items to our list. So let's go. So do something like fruits, dot add. See, we have dot add and dot add all. So let's use it as dot add, and we'll add something like mango to our list. Okay, mango, and we'll print the fruits. Print fruits. So let's put up our terminal and check what will happen here. So example, that being example 2, that you see we get apple, banana, orange, mango has been added to our list. So we do something. Remember we said we explained that dot add is for single item. So let's do something like try add another item again. So you see we're already having errors. This is because the dot add method is to add only a single item. So let's clear this one, and our separator, and our separator to separate that one, and save it. Okay, let's see how we can remove something from this. Remove banana from our fruit. So the method we are expected to use: print. It's supposed to print. Before we print, we need to remove the items. So fruit dot remove. Okay, you see we have remove and what remove at. So let's say remove. I will say banana. Oops, banana. Save and we print fruit again. Okay, good. Save the code to end. Let's see outcome. You see, our list now have apple, orange, and mango. There is no banana. We removed banana. So this is how we remove banana, or remove something from an item from our list. Okay, what if we don't know the index of which banana is? We want to remove banana, but we don't know the particular index the banana is, or we don't know what exactly is in that index, but we want to just remove something at index 1. So we do as this. We use fruits fruits dot remove at. Okay, remove, sorry, it's remove at. Okay, remove at works. Okay, remove, we don't need one, just leave this place. Okay, so we remove at index 2. Okay, let's save this code and move our separator here. Okay, good, like this. Save this code. Let's clear our terminal and print it. Here, we keep okay, after removing, we need to still print our list. Okay, our fruit list, just to get an outcome. So if you print, yeah, you get the results. See, um, apple, orange, mango, right? And when we had, we got, here is it, apple, banana. This is when we added mango to a list. So we got apple, banana, orange, and mango to our list. And then we remove banana from our list. Using this remove, we remove banana from our list. We got only apple, orange, and mango, I mean. And then we use this remove at index to remove the third one. I mean, that's the third one, but it's the second index, right? So our index starts from 0. So if we are removing at index 2, it means we are removing the third one, which is mango. And our outcome, we got what? Apple and orange removed from our list. So this is how we use list to add, remove items, and do some other things. You can play around with it, do some other uh, examples. You can even change the type of the list to integer and try do some other things and play around, do examples, other way you want to do it. Okay, thank you. And that is that for list. See you in another example or in another video, so to say.